Ready to turn your social media scroll into a stream of qualified real estate leads? First, let's nail down content creation. Start by identifying your ideal client and their pain points. Create valuable content addressing those pain points, such as market updates, home buying tips, or neighborhood spotlights. Use high-quality photos and videos. And don't forget to include a clear call to action, like visiting your website or scheduling a consultation. Next up, engaging your audience is crucial. Respond promptly to comments and messages. Participate in relevant online communities, and run polls and Q&A sessions to foster interaction. Remember, authenticity builds trust, so be genuine and personable in your online interactions. Now, let's talk advertising. Social media ads are powerful tools for reaching a wider audience. Target your ads based on demographics, interests, and location to reach potential clients actively searching for real estate services. Experiment with different ad formats and creatives to see what resonates best with your target audience. Finally, you need to track your results to see what's working and what's not. Use analytics tools to monitor website traffic, lead generation, and engagement metrics from your social media efforts. Analyze the data to identify trends and optimize your strategy for better results. So, implement these strategies, stay consistent, and watch those social media leads roll in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate marketing tips.